In this video, we're going to try and record a macro and save it as a macro file. So we need to go to the developer tab first and select record macro, and then we can name the macro so as format, since this macro is going to be on how to record a format that can be used in the other sheets or other workbooks. And for the shortcut key, I'm going to put it as Control Shift and F, and every time I open a new worksheet, I just need to click on Control Shift and F, and I can get the format on to that sheet. So I can put the description as macro to put out the recorded format. Click on OK, and now every step that I do gets recorded, and this recording can be used in any sheet on this workbook. So for example, the alignment, the color, the font, every single thing will be just the same when I hit on Control Shift and F. And likewise, you can also create your own format and do the same shortcut key, or you can give your own shortcut key, and you don't have to spend a lot of time always creating the format for your report. As you can see here, this format took me about 4 to 5 minutes to create, and in order to save this time, we can use the record macro function, and it helps us if we have a lot of tasks that are repeating on a day-to-day basis. Just remove the grid lines. So every single thing that I've done on this sheet will be recorded. I click on stop recording, and now I can use the Control Shift F shortcut key, and you can see what happens. Sheet 2 has the same thing, and on sheet 3 I do the same thing, Control Shift F, and I get it done so easily. So I save a lot of time recording the macro instead of always creating the format in every different sheet. So I hope this will help you all. And the way to save this Excel sheet is to click on the regular save tab, and then rename the file to format or whatever you want to rename it. And then when you click on save as type, you got to click on Excel macro enabled workbook, and then click on save. And if you look at the file on the desktop, you will see an exclamation mark, which is telling us that this is an Excel, and this is a macro enabled Excel workbook. I hope this is helpful for you all. Thank you.